Hi everyone, welcome to week 2. We are kicking off this week with measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion. So both of those things refer to data sets. So often we're working with groups of numbers and trying to draw some conclusions about that. We call this descriptive statistics. It's a really common research method. When I work on dissertation committees, it's pretty frequent that a student will do a quantitative descriptive study, meaning just what it sounds like. They're describing the data around a particular phenomenon of interest. So the way we're going to work with it, so measures of central tendency, we're going to be looking at mean, median, mode, and these all have different purposes. So as an example, if you were to go house shopping and you look around your neighborhood and you see a house for 200,000, a house for 210,000, a house for 215,000, and a house for 500,000, if you looked at the mean price, the median price, and the mode price, those would all be very, very different measures. So you really want to make sure you know what you're dealing with there so you understand your data. The measures of dispersion mean what does the spread of the data look like? What is the average distance from the mean data point? So there are many reasons we'd want to look at that. So test scores might be a really good one. A lot of times with student test scores, we want to know what the mean test score is, and then we want to know how far did student A score away from the mean? How far did student B score away from the mean? And so a lot of times we're looking at things called standard deviations. So standard deviations from the mean is the full term. So you can do things with data sets like make a bell curve and say in a normally distributed data set, we know that 68% of the values are always within one standard deviation of the mean. So that kind of tells us the bulk of the values are from here to here. So if that sounded a little bit like Greek to you, hopefully not too bad, I apologize. But that's kind of where we're going this week, and I just wanted to give you a little welcome intro, what we're going to be up to. We'll talk about all this stuff on the discussion board. We'll do our midweek check-in, we'll do a wrap-up, and we'll do tons of content in between. So here we go for a fun week 2. Thanks.